The automotive industry has produced countless engines over the decades, but only a select few have earned legendary status for their reliability. These power plants have proven themselves through millions of combined miles, harsh conditions, and relentless use. Behind every great truck lies an exceptional engine. The following 10 vehicles showcase engineering that defied expectations and set unprecedented standards for longevity. Many of these engines continue serving their owners long after their competitors have been scrapped. Starting at number 10, the Nissan Frontier and Xtera, equipped with the VQ40DE 4-liter V6 engine. This power plant revolutionized Nissan's truck lineup in 2005 with its dual overhead camshaft design and advanced variable valve timing system. The VQ40DE consistently delivers 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque throughout its lifespan, maintaining performance well beyond 300,000 miles. Its aluminum block construction features reinforced cylinder walls and a forged steel crankshaft, virtually eliminating common failure points. The micro-finished crankshaft journals reduce friction and wear, while the lightweight pistons include factory-applied molybdenum coatings for enhanced durability. Professional mechanics report seeing these engines in their shops for routine maintenance rather than major repairs. The engine's timing chain design eliminates the need for costly belt replacements, while its integrated oil cooler system maintains optimal operating temperatures under heavy loads. The VQ40DE also incorporates a unique ladder frame construction for the lower block, providing superior structural rigidity during high-stress operation. Even in extreme off-road conditions, these engines maintain their reliability through innovative features like a high-mounted alternator and protected cooling system routing. The 9th position belongs to the Chevrolet Silverado, powered by the robust 5.3-liter Vortec V8. Produced from 1999 to 2006, this engine marked a significant evolution in General Motors' small block V8 legacy. The LM7's cast iron block provides exceptional durability, while its aluminum heads optimize heat dissipation and reduce overall weight. These engines routinely achieve 350,000 miles with basic maintenance. The sequential fuel injection system delivers precise fuel metering, contributing to both performance and longevity. The engine's deep skirt block design and 6-bolt main bearing caps ensure exceptional stability under load. The LM7 features a remarkable cooling system designed with priority main oiling, ensuring critical engine components receive adequate lubrication even under extreme conditions. Its hydraulic roller lifter valve train significantly reduces maintenance requirements while improving durability. The cylinder heads incorporate advanced combustion chamber designs that maintain efficiency throughout the engine's life. Even when pushed to their limits, towing heavy trailers or navigating rough terrain, these engines maintain their reliability. Their 285 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque remain consistent throughout their service life, thanks to the durable internal components and sophisticated engine management systems. Ready to discover more incredible engines that redefine durability? Hit subscribe now. The engineering achievements we're about to reveal will amaze you. The 8th spot showcases the Jeep Cherokee XJ's AMC 4-liter inline-6, a power plant that earned its reputation between 1984 and 2001. This engine's design prioritized simplicity and strength above all else. The cast iron block and head combination creates a nearly indestructible foundation. Its 7 main bearings provide exceptional crankshaft support, while the oversized rod bearings handle extreme conditions with ease. These engines regularly surpass 300,000 to 400,000 miles with only basic maintenance. The hydraulic lifters eliminate the need for valve adjustments, while the fuel injection system proves remarkably trouble-free. The AMC 4-liter features an innovative cross-flow cylinder head design that promotes efficient combustion and heat dissipation. Its forged steel crankshaft and heavy-duty connecting rods were significantly overbuilt for their application, contributing to the engine's legendary durability. The cooling system includes a high-flow water pump and optimized coolant passages that prevent hot spots and ensure consistent temperature control. Professional mechanics often report seeing these engines running smoothly despite cracked exhaust manifolds and minor oil leaks, demonstrating their ability to soldier on even when not in peak condition. The engine's tuned intake manifold provides excellent torque characteristics while maintaining reliability under varying loads and conditions. Claiming 7th place, the Chevrolet Seapal K series trucks, featuring the legendary 350 small block V8, dominated American roads from 1973 to 2000. This 5.7-liter powerhouse represents the pinnacle of traditional V8 design. Its 4-bolt main bearing caps provide exceptional crankshaft stability, while the hydraulic roller camshaft significantly reduces valve train wear. These engines frequently exceed 500,000 miles before requiring major work. The L31's robust bottom end features forged connecting rods and a nodular iron crankshaft, components that handle decades of heavy use. The engine's simple design makes repairs straightforward when needed, with an abundance of aftermarket parts available. The cylinder heads incorporate hardened valve seats and premium valve guides, ensuring long-term durability even with modern fuels. These engines feature a sophisticated oiling system with a high-volume oil pump and carefully engineered oil galleries that provide consistent lubrication to all critical components. The L31's cooling system includes a high-capacity water pump and optimized coolant flow paths that maintain stable operating temperatures under all conditions. Its steady 255 horsepower and 330 pound-feet of torque provide reliable performance for everything from daily driving to heavy hauling. The engine's rotating assembly was built with significant safety margins, allowing it to handle sustained heavy loads without accelerated wear. The Toyota pickup, equipped with the legendary 22R 2.4-liter inline-4 engine, secures the sixth position. This mechanical masterpiece, produced from 1981 to 1995, has earned global recognition for its incredible durability. The engine's overbuilt nature includes features like a 5-main bearing crankshaft, timing chain guides with superior wear resistance, and a cast iron head that rarely warps. These engines routinely achieve 500,000 to 900,000 miles, with some documented cases exceeding 1 million miles. The 22R's simple carburation system proves reliable even in extreme conditions, from desert heat to Arctic cold. Its double-row timing chain design provides exceptional longevity, while the engine's low-stress nature ensures minimal wear on internal components. The cylinder head design incorporates extra-thick walls and reinforced valve guides that resist wear even under sustained high-temperature operation. Toyota engineered the cooling system with redundant capacity, featuring a heavy-duty radiator and optimized coolant flow patterns that prevent overheating even in the most demanding conditions. The engine's oil system includes a high-capacity oil pan and carefully designed oil galleries that ensure consistent lubrication throughout the engine. Military applications worldwide have proven this engine's ability to perform under the most demanding conditions imaginable. The 22R's piston design includes extra reinforcement at critical stress points, while the connecting rods feature a robust I-beam design that handles extreme loads without failure. The engineering achievements we've covered are impressive, but they pale in comparison to what's coming next. The top 5 engines in our countdown have reached mileage figures that seem almost impossible. Stay tuned to discover these mechanical marvels that have redefined what we thought possible in engine longevity. The 5th position goes to the Dodge D-Series in Ram trucks powered by the revolutionary Chrysler Slant 6 225. This innovative inline-6 engine, with its unique 30-degree tilt, set new standards for reliability from 1960 to 1987. The slanted design allowed for a lower hood line while creating a superior oil return path to the crankcase, ensuring exceptional lubrication under all conditions. Its forged steel crankshaft rotates in 7 main bearings, each generously sized for maximum durability. The engine routinely exceeds 400,000 miles without major repairs. The cylinder head design incorporates exceptionally thick walls and reinforced valve seats that resist wear even after decades of service. Chrysler's engineers developed a unique cooling system that promotes excellent thermal stability, featuring optimized coolant passages and a high-capacity water pump. The Slant 6's camshaft rides in especially large bearing surfaces, contributing to its legendary durability. The intake manifold design optimizes airflow while minimizing heat transfer to the incoming fuel mixture, improving efficiency and reliability. These engines feature an advanced oil filtration system for their era, with full-flow filtering and bypass capabilities that protect critical engine components. The connecting rods and pistons were significantly overbuilt, allowing them to handle sustained heavy loads without accelerated wear. Even with minimal maintenance, these engines continue running smoothly thanks to their overbuilt internal components and conservative power output. The cylinder block incorporates extra ribbing and reinforcement in critical areas, preventing the structural failures common in other engines of the era. The 4th spot belongs to the first-generation Toyota Tundra's 2UZFE 4.7-liter V8 engine. Produced from 2000 to 2006, this power plant represents Toyota's commitment to over-engineering. The engine block features extra extra-thick cylinder walls and deep skirt construction that virtually eliminates vibration and wear. Its timing belt design, while requiring maintenance, proves exceptionally reliable when serviced at recommended intervals. These engines frequently surpass 500,000 miles, with documented cases exceeding 1 million miles. The sophisticated variable valve timing system incorporates robust components that maintain proper operation well beyond normal service life. Toyota's engineers designed the connecting rods with a unique beam profile that distributes stress more effectively than conventional designs. The cylinder heads feature extra material around valve seats and guides, preventing the wear issues common in other V8 engines. The integrated oil cooler system maintains optimal oil temperatures even under extreme conditions, while the high-capacity oil pump ensures consistent lubrication throughout the engine. Advanced combustion chamber design promotes complete fuel burning while minimizing hot spots that could cause long-term damage. The cooling system includes carefully engineered coolant flow paths that eliminate air pockets and ensure uniform temperature distribution. Professional mechanics report seeing these engines maintain like-new compression readings even after hundreds of thousands of miles. The crankshaft features micro-polished journals and larger-than-necessary bearing surfaces that significantly reduce wear over time. The engineering mastery of our top 3 engines will revolutionize your understanding of what makes a truly reliable truck. Subscribe now to ensure you don't miss these incredible examples of automotive excellence. Securing third place, the Ford F-Series Super Duty's 7.3-liter power-stroke diesel engine dominates the heavy-duty segment. This international design power plant, produced from 1994 to 2003, set the standard for diesel reliability. Its cast-iron block features extra-thick cylinder walls and cross-bolted main caps that ensure exceptional durability under heavy loads. The direct injection system, while simpler than modern common rail designs, proves incredibly reliable and easy to maintain. These engines regularly achieve 1 million miles in commercial service. The hydraulically actuated electronic unit injectors, HEUI, provide precise fuel delivery while remaining serviceable even at extreme mileages. The engine's oil system includes a high-capacity pump and large-volume oil pan that ensures consistent lubrication even during extended operation. The forged steel crankshaft and heavy-duty connecting rods handle the massive torque output without complaint, while the pistons incorporate advanced alloys that resist cracking under thermal stress. The cylinder head design includes extra-thick deck surfaces and premium head bolts that maintain proper clamping force throughout the engine's life. The turbocharger features a waist-gated design that provides excellent boost control while minimizing stress on internal components. The cooling system incorporates a large-capacity radiator and oil cooler that maintain optimal operating temperatures even under sustained heavy loads. Fleet operators report these engines maintaining consistent performance well beyond normal replacement intervals. The runner-up position goes to the legendary Dodge Ram's Cummins 5.9-liter 12-valve diesel. Manufactured from 1989 to 1998, this inline-six diesel engine represents the pinnacle of mechanical simplicity and durability. The injection pump proves incredibly reliable while delivering precise fuel control with its durable mechanical design. These engines routinely achieve between 1 and 2 million miles before requiring major repairs. The cylinder block incorporates extra-thick walls and 6-bolt-per-cylinder head clamping that ensures superior head gasket longevity. Its gear-driven camshaft eliminates timing belt maintenance concerns, while the simple mechanical design reduces potential failure points. The engine's straight-six configuration provides natural balance that reduces wear on main bearings and other crucial components. The forged steel connecting rods feature rifle-drilled passages for enhanced oil delivery to the wrist pins. The pistons incorporate advanced alloys and thermal barrier coatings that maintain stability under extreme combustion pressures. The cooling system includes precisely engineered water jackets that prevent hot spots and ensure uniform temperature distribution. Even in commercial applications, these engines maintain consistent performance with minimal maintenance requirements. The turbocharger features a simple yet effective wastegate design that provides reliable boost control without complex electronic management. Claiming the top position, the Ford F-Series trucks, equipped with the 300 cubic inch 4.9-liter inline-six engine, represent the ultimate in long-term reliability. Produced from 1965 to 1996, this engine combines elegant simplicity with robust engineering. The 7 main bearing crankshaft, supported by a deep skirt block design, provides exceptional stability even under heavy loads. These engines consistently deliver 400,000 to 500,000 miles of service while requiring minimal repairs. The gear-driven camshaft eliminates timing chain maintenance concerns, while the large displacement provides excellent torque without stressing internal components. Ford's engineers incorporated oversized cooling passages and a high-capacity lubrication system that ensures reliable operation even in extreme conditions. The cylinder head design features extra thick walls and robust valve guides that resist wear even after decades of service. The intake manifold incorporates a unique heat distribution system that promotes uniform fuel mixture temperatures across all cylinders. The forged steel connecting rods feature an I-beam design that provides superior strength while maintaining relatively low reciprocating mass. The piston design includes extra material in high-stress areas in premium ring packages that maintain compression even after hundreds of thousands of miles. The oiling system includes a high-volume pump and carefully engineered galleries that ensure consistent lubrication to all critical components. While these engines have set the standard for reliability, a new generation of power plants is emerging. Modern engineering techniques and advanced materials are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in engine longevity. But will these new engines survive long enough to earn their place among these legends? Only time will tell.